Alright, so I just finished shooting the pictures of, well, the bike, like you guys probably saw in the ad. And I figured I may as well do a quick video showing you everything works. Because I'm sure everyone's going to ask the same questions over and over, and dealing with Kijiji's annoying, as I'm sure you guys know. So, yes, it's a 1998 Harley-Davidson. Yes, it is still available. Please do not ask. What can I tell you? I bought it as a winter project, and had some nice weather. Had some jobs get canceled, so I thought, you know what, I'll work on the bike, and now it's not winter, but the project's all done. This thing runs great. Previous owner had left it sitting for 7 years, so when I got it, it needed a bunch of stuff. First I'll tell you about what he did, then I'll do my stuff after that. Alright, making a quick video of this bike. I'll do a quick ride and then a sort of walk around just to show it to you guys. It's a 1998 Harley-Davidson Sportster. Essentially it's like brand new though, because the motor's only got like 6,000 miles on it. Fires up pretty good, even though it's like 10 degrees outside right now. Previous owner had done a lot of work on it, and then he let it sitting for 7 years, so I bought it as a bit of a winter project. Alright, let's go for a little ride around the cemetery, just to show you guys everything works well. Clutching out, super easy. Turn signals work. Shifting into seconds, really smooth. One thing I like about Harley-Davidsons is they do give you a factory option for four-ways, so if you hit both signals at the same time, now you got your four-ways are on, and if you hit them again, now they're off. I'll shift into third even though I'm not going that fast. So yeah, shifted into third. Oh yeah, it wants to cut out. Oh, stalled out. Alright, so yeah, trying to go slow and be respectful, but at the same time want to show you guys that the thing runs. Alright, not gonna lie, I totally stalled out over there. And then some guy came to ask me questions about the bike. Trying to juggle between wanting to give you guys a truthful representation of the bike, and at the same time not riding like an asshole because I'm in a cemetery. But I think we'll pull over right here and take some pictures, and I'll give you guys a walk around so you can see the work that the previous owner did and the work that I did. Alright, let's start with the electrical. Headlight works. Low beam, high beam, low beam. Horn. I didn't want to press it too hard because, you know, cemetery, like I said. Turn signals, left side, yep. Right side, yep. Front and back both good. Brake light. There you go. What else we got? I'll show you the four ways. You press both left and right at the same time. Oh, hold on. There you go, now you got your four ways. I think only Harley-Davidson does that. I don't think the other brands do that. Then you press them both to turn them off. That's kind of about it. So, work the previous owner did, the parts that he put on, the only things that aren't original are actually Harley-Davidson manufactured parts. So this is a Harley engine guard for in case you drop it. That takes the brunt of the damage instead of the bike, which is nice. You can also put some peg mounts up here, which is nice for highway cruising. You probably know that already. Comes with the saddlebags. I don't know if these are genuine Harley-Davidson. They might be the only thing that isn't. The bracket supports are, and this is cool. This is also genuine Harley-Davidson. It's a quick detach backrest. So if you don't like the backrest, you just pop on these tags. Hopefully you guys can see them. I don't know what the camera can see. And it comes off. You put it on the shelf. You ride without it. You put it back on. Same thing with taking the seat off. Is like one bolt. Sorry, not taking the seat off. Yeah, taking the seat too, but one bolt to get the bags off if you want the bags off too, and just go totally naked. Whatever your little heart desires. Battery is only 1 year old, and that's the extent of what the previous owner did. Again, it's only got 6,000 miles. The thing's basically stock. The thing wasn't firing up when I got it, but the carbs needed a major overhaul, so that's been done. While we were there, the spark plugs got totally cleaned up. The gap on them was still good, so no worries there, so everything's running as it should be. And these tires, front and back, are brand new. Sorry if the angle's off, I can't see the camera, so I don't know what you guys are seeing or not. Yeah, there's the back tire, brand new as well. Literally like 1 kilometer on them, brand spanking new. So the bike, because it had been sitting, drained the gas tank, put fresh 91 octane in there. It only runs on 87. Like, I mean, you only need 87, it'll run on whatever you put in there. I put 91 just because, I mean, it's going to be, I'm sure whoever gets it's going to tuck it away for the winter, or if I don't sell it, I'll tuck it away for the winter. So I just wanted to have good gas in there. Bike is not perfect, it needs a good wash for sure. I might clean it up if we get another sunny day, maybe tomorrow. It's got a couple little scratches on the front fender, but I mean, shit, most people paint these things anyway, or just grab a new one. Besides that, everything's all there, all your pegs and whatnot. Battery's a year old, it's still in great shape. I took a load tester to it, passed with flying colors. Car's been redone, like I said. Bike, less than 6,000 miles. It's basically a brand new motor almost. So yeah, shifts smoothly, rides great. You got the extra accessories. I think the extra accessories added up to like $700 or $800. So if you're planning on getting an engine guard, which is a good idea if you're gonna, you know, potentially drop the bike, it's nice to have the engine guard. Really saves you from a lot of damage. Those are great. And then the backrest, I like that it's quick detached personally. That's just my own personal bias, so whatever. I forgot to take pictures while I was here, fuck. Alright, well, fuck, I can't do a video and do this at the same time, so that's the end of the video. Yeah, buy the fucking bike. Alright, later.